Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive deep into the details to bring you the most honest, no-nonsense product reviews. Today, we're checking out the Rosewill 6-in-1 multi-speed cordless rechargeable immersion hand blender. If you've been searching for a versatile kitchen tool that combines convenience and power, stay tuned as we explore everything this immersion blender has to offer. The Rosewill immersion blender is designed to be your all-in-one blending solution. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, baby food, or lattes, this tool promises to simplify your kitchen experience. It features a powerful 14,000 RPM motor and comes with a variety of attachments, including a hand blender stick, mixing beaker, chopper bowl, whisk, and milk frother. Plus, with its 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can use it anywhere, cord-free, making it an ideal choice for those who value portability. The stainless steel blades are designed to crush ice, blend ingredients quickly, and achieve silky textures with ease. When I first unpacked the Rosewill immersion blender, I immediately appreciated how compact yet sturdy it felt. Setting it up was a breeze. Just attach your preferred attachment, whether it's the whisk for eggs or the chopper for veggies, and you're good to go. I decided to test it out with a few different tasks to see how it handled. First up, I made a smoothie with frozen fruit, yogurt, and a bit of milk. The blender cut through the frozen chunks effortlessly, leaving me with a perfectly smooth blend in just a few seconds. Then, I tried it with a batch of homemade soup. The blender quickly pureed the ingredients into a velvety, smooth consistency without any hesitation. Both tasks were done with minimal noise, which is a nice bonus, especially when you're blending at full speed. One of the standout features is the variable speed control. It's easy to adjust the power depending on your task, whether you need a gentle mix for delicate sauces or maximum power for crushing ice. During my tests, I found that the motor provided ample power, but the best part was how quiet and smooth the operation felt. It's not just about the speed. The design of the blender ensures a low vibration experience, which makes it comfortable to hold for longer blending sessions. There are definitely some notable pros to this blender. First, the cordless design is incredibly freeing. I've used many immersion blenders in the past, but being able to move around the kitchen, or even take it outdoors for a picnic or camping trip, is a real game changer. The fact that it's rechargeable with a quick charge time means you won't be left waiting long to get back to blending. The range of attachments is also a huge plus. Being able to go from chopping to whisking to blending with one tool is a major convenience. However, no product is without its drawbacks. For one, the blender's 14,000 RPM motor, while powerful, may not be enough for some hardcore blending tasks. If you're looking to blend large batches of hard ingredients like ice or thick dough consistently, you might find it lacking a bit in endurance for prolonged, heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, while the build quality is solid, I did notice that the beaker and chopper bowl are made of plastic, which, depending on your preference, might feel a bit less premium than a glass alternative. In terms of value for money, the Rosewill immersion blender hits a sweet spot. For the price, you're getting a 6-in-1 tool that replaces several other kitchen gadgets, which is impressive. Competing models might come with fewer attachments or lack the cordless functionality, which puts the Rosewill in a strong position. When compared to some high-end immersion blenders on the market, it offers excellent versatility at a more affordable price, although some premium options might offer slightly better motor power or build quality. Looking at other options, a few competitors worth mentioning include the KitchenAid cordless hand blender and the Cuisinart Smart Stick. Both brands offer similar power and versatility, but neither comes with as many attachments or the same level of portability, especially in the case of KitchenAid, which tends to rely on a corded design. If you're someone who loves convenience and doesn't mind a slightly lower-end motor, the Rosewill stands out as a strong contender for the price. Build quality is generally good, especially when you consider the price point. The stainless steel blades are durable and can handle tough tasks, like crushing ice or chopping nuts without issue. The plastic parts are lightweight, but feel a little less premium than some higher-end models. Still, the blender's overall construction feels solid, and the anti-scratch and splash design makes cleanup easy, no mess left behind. As for longevity, while I don't have long-term data, Rosewill's reputation for creating reliable kitchen tools suggests this model should hold up well with proper care. If you're wondering about customer support, I had no reason to contact Rosewill directly, but based on the brand's reputation, they have a solid track record for responsive service. Many users have reported positive experiences with their customer support team, though it's worth noting that your experience might vary based on location or time of year. To wrap things up, the Rosewill 6-in-1 multi-speed cordless rechargeable immersion hand blender is a versatile, well-designed tool that's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen routine. It's not without a few shortcomings, like the motor's limitations for heavy-duty tasks, but for everyday use, it excels. If you need a powerful, portable, and multifunctional blender, this one delivers on its promises. If you're someone who blends a lot of tough ingredients, though, you might want to consider looking into higher-end models. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to grab this product in the comments box. Feel free to drop your questions or thoughts if you've already used the Rosewill blender. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, keep blending and stay tuned to Reviews Inside TV for more in-depth reviews.